What's up, Cookie Butter Monster? Hmm. Yeah, you can barely breathe, huh? Cookie butter in your throat. You don't say. Hold on, baby, I got you. I don't know. Here, I got it. Okay, we'll get it on. Oh, Lord, son.
I know, he's very specific.
Here you go. No, don't touch that. That's hot. Yeah, hot. Here. Bro, that is a sharp looking handlebar mustache you have there.
I worked all night on it. I kept it.
I'm laughing.